Good morning, all ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the workshop of Snibe with our partner at ALRAFIDAIN company. By Chinese, we say Ni Hao. By Arabic, we say Ahlan wa sahlan. Welcome all the valuable customers for our workshop today. I'm Miss Echo Wang, the General Manager of Snibe Iraq team. So I'm very happy to say today Snibe is illuminating in Baghdad, this wonderful city. Talk about Mesopotamia civilization, what do we know? I heard about Babylon, about Tigris River and Euphrates River. We used to know this land as like the civilization between the two rivers. Like in China, we have Yangtze River and the Yellow River. I'm very glad that Snibe team put me to Iraq, this wonderful, generous, friendly country. Anybody know what this map means? It was my first time travel to Iraq. It means 30 days. I visit 7 cities from north to south of Iraq. I visit 5 companies and 36 labs and hospitals. I really appreciate this visit because it gives me a full image about Iraqi market. Today, I would like to specially introduce you my team. Me, Miss Echo Wang, as the team leader, general manager of Snibe Iraq team. I'm in charge of 2 teams. Left side for our Chinese team, we have 2 sales managers in charge of the different product line. And right side, we have our local team, including sales, marketing, and technical service. Our engineer, Mr. Hossein, just finished the technical training in China and come back. We wish he can supply the best service, technical support for this market. Snibe, our company, Snibe name, S-N-I-B-E. It comes from the 4 company English name. We also call it Stay New Innovation, Be Excellent. This is our headquarters in Shenzhen. After 2020, we listed in the market. We call it the Kingdom of Snibe in Shenzhen. This one, the first one, this is we call it R&D center. We call it phase 1. And this one, we call it phase 2. This is our office for the whole company. And this one, we call it phase 3. It will work as our new R&D and production center. And this one, we call it phase 4. It's still under construction. So this building will be the center of international sales and marketing. So we think after the end of 2024, all of our international team will move to this building. For now, we stay in the 16th floor and 17th floor of this building. This is our production center for analyzer and manufacturing for reagent kit. Snibe vision to be the #1 fast chemiluminescence immunoassay analyzer in the world. For now, we already focus on immunoassay for more than 28 years. And we are now exporting for more than 151 countries. We always say the quantity means quality. For now, our clear system already have installation for more than 25,000 units. For Snibe, we now have 3 main business segments. The first one for clear system, the second one for biochemistry system, and the third one for PCR system. By combining all of this system, we can build a LAS system. We have successfully worked with Scientific and Hitachi. Snibe believe brand is the king, and distribution channel is the king, and end user is the king. This is why we focus on the scientific marketing for this brand. And we also try to build a very professional local team from Snibe to support our local distributors. And we also have budget for every year to bring our reference customers from every country to travel to Snibe Day in Dubai, in Europe, because we want to give the chance for all the customers to exchange their experience for lab management. So we have our next Snibe Day in AACC 2003 in the Middle East, in Dubai. I wish to meet all of you there. And at last, this is one of our warm-up part. I would like to invite all of you to speak MAGLUMI with me after I count 1, 2, 3.
مسز إيكو، أول شيء رحب بكم أفضل ترحيب. أنا عمر العبيدي، بزنس ديفلوبمنت مانجر لشركة سنايب بالعراق. مسز إيكو تدعوكم بعد ما تقول 1 2 3 نقول مقلومي سوية بصوت واحد. You can start.
Okay, so now we start. 1, 2, 3. MAGLUMI.
مقلومي.
Okay, maybe one more time. Okay, 1, 2, 3. MAGLUMI.